Write the argument of minus I. The complex number minus I is 0 plus of minus 1 times I. So it represents a point 0 comma minus 1 which is on negative y-axis. So here is the point 0 comma minus 1 locates. And we know that the argument of any point on positive x-axis is 0. So argument is 0, and in the argument of any point on positive y-axis is pi by 2. We can say pi by 2. And argument of any point on the negative x-axis is pi. And argument of the negative y-axis will be taken as a minus pi by 2, because argument theta, which will be lying between minus pi to plus pi. So therefore we can consider here argument of minus I, which is equal to, it's lying on the negative axis, so we can take minus pi by 2. Also this problem can be solved by using the polar form. The polar form of complex number z is equal to a plus ib. Its polar form is r of cos theta plus I sin theta, where theta is an argument, r is equal to mod z, and argument of z is theta. So here z is equal to complex number minus I, that is 0 plus of minus 1 into I. So therefore its r is equal to mod z, which is equal to root over 0 square plus minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1, because we consider r positive. And now when comparing polar form with the given complex number, so we have r cos theta is equal to 0 and r sin theta is equal to minus 1. So r cos theta is 0 means r is equal to 1, so cos theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to negative 1. So cos theta 0 and sin theta is negative 1. This is possible for cos of minus pi by 2 is equal to 0 and sin of minus pi by 2 is also equals to 0. Sorry, minus 1. Sin of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. So we can consider the argument of minus I, which is nothing but minus pi by 2. But even though, so we can consider for theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. For 3 pi by 2 also we'll get the same answer, but since argument lies between minus pi to plus pi, so we will consider the answer as minus pi by 2. Okay, right, thank you.